Ready to make a difference? Learn how to turn your passion into action. I'm Teresa Chahine. I'm a senior lecturer at Yale University, where I teach at the School of Management and the Jackson School of Global Affairs. I'm also the faculty director of the Social Innovation Initiative. My course is about creating social change. It helps you be more innovative and entrepreneurial and engaging with the social and environmental challenges that you care about. Organize information, talk to people, and come up with ideas about how you can contribute to making a difference. What makes this course different from other courses is that in addition to providing information, case studies, examples about social innovation and entrepreneurship, it's also very practical. It's like a user's guide, a step-by-step guide to getting out there, collecting information about something you care about, thinking about your ideas, sharing them with others, and starting to take the first steps to implementing them. I think that social innovation and entrepreneurship can make people feel happier because it's really hard to live in this world with all the problems that we face. And doing something about it can make you feel hopeful, like you're making a difference. And this course just helps you get started in figuring out what your contribution is going to be.